Hello, this is Dr. Janet Six, Senior Product Manager at Tom Sawyer Software, and today we're going to discuss how to add nested drawings to a project and how to use them. Nesting a child drawing inside of another element helps manage complexity in your data to reveal the superstructure of the graph. Perspectives supports nested drawings in nodes and edges. Determination of which elements to place in a nested drawing can be a result of data integration, graph analysis, or user interaction. Perspectives supports nesting to any number of levels for complex graphs. Today, we will show how to add nested drawings to an existing application. This example application has nodes that represent people in an organization and edges which connect people who work together. Today, we are going to add nested drawings to this application so that people in the same department are grouped together in the same nested drawing. We have opened the example application in Perspectives Designer, and here on the left you can see the schema, data integration, drawing templates, data visualization views, and the view layout, which describes the layout of the dashboard. We are going to update the drawing view in order to add nested drawings. We open the drawing view definition, then select the All Vertices domain. This shows the rule sheet which is applied for every node in the model. First, we're going to add a parent node for the department if it has not already been created. So we select Structural, Add Node, and we'll call this Add Parent Node. And then we're going to update the node ID. We want this node to represent a particular department. So we'll type in parent, then we'll go to our expression builder and look at our schema. This way we get the correct attribute name for the department. And we click OK. And then we're going to apply the parent node template. And click OK. Next, we're going to add a child drawing to that parent node that we just created. So we select Action, Structural, Add Child Drawing. And we're going to update the ID so that this drawing is associated with a particular department. So we go to the Expression Builder, open the schema, and select Department. So again, we have the correct name for the attribute. And we click OK. And for the parent ID, we select Reference and choose that parent node for the department that we just created. And we take the default drawing template and click OK. The next step is to expand that parent node that we just created. So we select Structural, Expand Node, and for the node ID, we're going to go to Reference and select that new parent department node that we just made, and select Yes for expanded and click OK. Now we're going to open the web previewer and see those parent nodes that we just created. We're going to marquee zoom into those new nodes, and now we can see those expanded nodes for each one of the departments. Next step is for us to transfer the nodes in the drawing into their respective parent node for their department. We return to the designer and we're going to add a new action to transfer the node to a drawing. So we're going to select Reference and choose this node. And for the parent drawing ID, we're going to select that new parent drawing that we just created for the department. And click OK. And now all of the nodes are in the nested drawing for their department. Let's open the web previewer and go take a look. And we can see how every department node has a nested drawing with the people in that department. Today, we group people by department, but we can use different methods, such as grouping people by geospatial location or applying a clustering analysis and then grouping people by their cluster. Next, we will add the ability to collapse and expand the nested drawings, and also the ability to drill down into child drawings. We return to the designer, select Behavior, then Context Menu, and we're going to add items to the global context menu. First, we select Go to Child. This is a previously defined action provided by Perspectives. And we click OK. And now we're going to add a separator and then another item for Go to Parent. And we continued adding actions and separators for Expand and Collapse. You can also add all of these actions to toolbar items. Let's open the web previewer and see how all of these actions work. We zoom in to a nested drawing. Then we select one of the parent nodes, right-click, and choose Collapse Selected. And that nested drawing is collapsed. We also can click anywhere on the canvas, right-click, and select Collapse All in order to collapse all of the nested drawings. And now we can see all of the departments in this organization and which departments are working together. While we're here, let's apply the different layout styles. Bundle layout, which intelligently bundles edges together. Circular layout, which shows natural groupings. Hierarchical layout, which shows flows and dependencies. Orthogonal layout, which routes edges with primarily horizontal and vertical edges. And symmetric, which highlights natural symmetries. And we return to orthogonal layout. We can expand nodes by selecting them and choose Expand Selected. We also can drill down into a child drawing with the Go to Child action. And this way we can see just that specific nested drawing. And we can drill up with the Go to Parent action. In today's video, we discussed how to add nested drawings to a project and how to use them. Thanks for joining us. Contact Tom Sawyer Software today to start your free trial of Tom Sawyer Perspectives.